After recently visiting Noumea, we took a short tour to Signal Island. Check it out. Signal Island, or Alert Signal, I hope I got that right, as it's pronounced locally, is a marine nature reserve with coral, a variety of birds, fish, and of course turtles. It's located approximately 10 miles from Noumea. If you're coming in by cruise ship, there are two options. Book through the cruise ship if they have an available shore tour, or go through a third party. We chose the latter. Finding a tour is easy. To the left of the cruise terminal there are gazebos set up with shore tour operators selling different tours. They only have a limited number of taxis, but if you can find a big enough group they might be able to arrange a spare taxi if you can fill it. Once the tour was ready we boarded a water taxi here. The taxi ride took about 30 minutes. The first thing we noticed was how beautifully clear the water was. Signal Island is a marine nature reserve, so everything on and around the island is preserved, so take any rubbish back with you. There is a toilet and picnic tables. I recommend taking a beach umbrella or a tent or something to set up camp on the beach or close to the trees. If you're not sure what to do on Signal Island, here are the 3 things I recommend. Take a jump from the pier, just be wary of the depth of the water. Take a look around, the island and beaches are just amazing to look at. The island is quite small and can be walked around within an hour. And of course, snorkeling and swimming with the fish, coral and turtles. They're so close to the beach it's crazy. The turtles are happy just eating seagrass. So keep your distance and enjoy the view. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe, and if you have already, thanks. We were able to get to Signal Island by taking a cruise on the Carnival Splendor. If you want to see what I thought about it, check out this video. And as always, thanks for watching.